The process of making millions of donuts in a factory setting is a fascinating combination of art, science, and engineering. It begins with the meticulous formulation of the dough, a critical step that ensures consistency in flavor, texture, and quality. The dough recipe typically includes a blend of flour, sugar, yeast, milk, eggs, and other ingredients that vary depending on the type of donut being produced. Each ingredient is measured with precision, often using automated systems to guarantee uniformity. The yeast plays a pivotal role in leavening, contributing to the soft, airy texture that is characteristic of many donuts. Once the ingredients are mixed, the dough is subjected to rigorous kneading. Industrial mixers equipped with specialized attachments knead the dough to develop gluten, providing it with the elasticity necessary for shaping. This step is carefully monitored, as over or under kneading can affect the final product's quality. The dough is then left to rest and ferment in temperature-controlled proofing chambers. During this period, the yeast ferments the sugars, releasing carbon dioxide and causing the dough to rise. The proofing stage is essential not only for achieving the desired texture but also for developing the flavor profile of the donuts. After proofing, the dough is ready for shaping. Factories employ high-speed machinery to cut the dough into the iconic donut shapes. These machines can stamp out thousands of donuts per hour, ensuring efficiency in mass production. The dough pieces are then conveyed to another proofing stage, where they undergo a second rise. This ensures the donuts are light and fluffy after frying. For filled donuts, a different shaping process is employed, where the dough is formed into rounds or other specific shapes, leaving them hollow inside to accommodate fillings. Frying is the next crucial step, where the magic truly happens. Industrial fryers are designed to maintain precise oil temperatures, ensuring each donut is cooked evenly. The donuts are fried for a specific duration, with automatic flipping mechanisms ensuring both sides are perfectly golden brown. The type of oil used also influences the flavor and texture. Commonly, vegetable oil or shortening is preferred for its neutral taste and high smoke point. Once fried, the donuts are drained of excess oil and allowed to cool slightly. For filled and coated donuts, the post-frying stage is where the variety comes to life. Filled donuts are injected with an array of fillings, including cream, jelly, custard, and fruit preserves. High-speed filling machines ensure consistent quantities and placement of fillings. Glazed and coated donuts pass through cascading systems or are manually dipped to achieve their signature finishes. Chocolate, vanilla, and other flavored glazes are applied, often followed by sprinkles or other decorative toppings. Some factories also employ airbrush techniques for more intricate designs. Quality control is an integral part of the production process. Every stage, from mixing to packaging, is closely monitored to ensure the donuts meet strict quality standards. Visual inspections, taste tests, and automated scanning systems are used to detect any imperfections or inconsistencies. Defective products are discarded or repurposed, depending on the severity of the issue. In addition to taste and appearance, factors such as weight and size are checked to guarantee uniformity in every batch. Packaging is the final step before the donuts are shipped to retailers or consumers. Automated packaging lines handle the delicate task of arranging donuts in trays or boxes without damaging their appearance. Packaging materials are chosen to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. For frozen donuts, an additional flash freezing step is introduced to lock in flavor and texture. The packaged donuts are then labeled and stored in temperature-controlled warehouses until distribution. The scale of production in donut factories is astounding, with some facilities capable of producing millions of donuts daily. This level of output is made possible by the integration of advanced machinery, skilled personnel, and rigorous adherence to quality and safety protocols. Automation plays a significant role, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. However, human expertise remains invaluable, particularly in areas such as recipe development, flavor innovation, and quality assurance. Despite the industrial scale of production, many factories strive to maintain a sense of craftsmanship in their products. Recipes are often developed with the help of experienced bakers who understand the nuances of dough behavior and flavor balancing. Seasonal and specialty doughnuts are introduced regularly, reflecting trends and consumer preferences. These limited edition offerings often require adjustments to the standard production process, showcasing the factory's flexibility and creativity. The environmental impact of doughnut production is also a consideration for many manufacturers. Efforts are made to reduce waste, recycle materials, and minimize energy consumption. Some factories have implemented sustainable practices, such as sourcing ingredients from responsible suppliers and using energy-efficient equipment. These initiatives not only benefit the environment but also resonate with consumers who value eco-friendly practices. From humble beginnings as a simple fried dough treat, the doughnut has evolved into a global phenomenon, with factories churning out millions of variations to satisfy diverse tastes. The production process, though largely automated, is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of those involved. Every doughnut, whether glazed, filled, or topped with colorful sprinkles, represents a blend of tradition and innovation, bringing joy to countless people around the world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the incredible journey of how doughnuts are made on such a massive scale, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating behind-the-scenes content. Let us know your favorite doughnut in the comments below. See you in the next video.